is how you can remove TikTok account from another device. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So, the first step is opening up your TikTok. Now, after you've opened up your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. And after you do that, just tap on the top right option, the three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. After you tap on it, you will see under the account section, security and permissions, just tap on security and permissions. Now there on the second option, you will see manage devices, tap on manage devices. And right here, you will see all of the devices that your TikTok is logged into. So just select one and you can just tap on the trash icon right besides them. And after you do that, you can remove your TikTok account from that device. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.